Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I will show you how to make soft, creamy and smoky chicken tikka right at home. Let's start the recipe. Take 500 grams of boneless chicken thigh pieces. Always use the thigh pieces for extra tenderness. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well and keep aside. Creamy chicken tikka is loved for its mild spices and creamy texture. In a small pan, add 2 teaspoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon gram flour. Roast the gram flour for 30 seconds. Roasting gram flour adds a nutty flavor and helps bind the marinade. This recipe is a popular Mughal influence in North Indian cuisine. Then add it to the chicken mixture. Now take a blender, add 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon green chili, 6 to 7 soaked cashews, 1/3 cup milk, and 1 cheese slice. Blend smooth. Cashew paste gives this dish its signature richness. Pour this over the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place the chicken and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Keep the flame low to avoid burning the cream-based marinade. Flip the chicken pieces and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Chicken thighs are rich in protein and iron. Cashews provide good fats and minerals. Remove from the heat. It's often called the white kebab for its pale and velvety look. Now thread the chicken onto stick. Yogurt and cream aid digestion and add probiotics. Home cooked tikka avoid artificial colors and preservatives. Give it a smoky touch over open flame. Brush some butter. For an authentic taste, finish with a smoky touch using charcoal or open flame. Your creamy and smoky chicken tikka is ready to enjoy. Try it at home and tell us how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods.